court, but there is obviously a political aspect to this entire saga as well. And of course, the main player, the key player, Aam Aadmi Party Supremo, Delhi Chief Minister Arvind Kejriwal today, Tejri, has given his first statement. It's been, over 120 hours. Kejriwal had maintained a stoic silence. Today he speaks up, and what does he say? He openly comes out in support of Vibhav Kumar, says it's the BJP which is trying to put the entire Aam Aadmi top brass, including his PA, behind bars.
Yes, this is the first time when the Chief Minister of Delhi, at whose residence this entire incident took place on 13th May, counting from 9 a.m. to 9:45. What transpired inside the Chief Minister's residence was all out when we accessed the FIR. But important over here is that Chief Minister first time has broken his silence on this entire matter and has said that it is BJP on whose behest this entire arrest is underway. And in fact, he also said that today Raghav Chadha has landed in Delhi. He came to meet him. Raghav Chadha will be arrested. Next will be Saurabh Bharadwaj. Then will be Atishi. Then he kept on saying that all Aam Aadmi Party leaders will be arrested. And then he talked about that today he has arrested his former PA also, Vibhav Kumar, who was arrested by the Delhi police from Chief Minister's residence itself. So this was the first time when Chief Minister spoke after the arrest of Vibhav Kumar, and that he also has said that tomorrow he will be in fact going to the BJP headquarters along with the entire team of Aam Aadmi Party, that will be including their MPs, MLAs, minister,
and now tomorrow they are planning to reach the BJP headquarters. They are calling it sending Aam Aadmi Party to jail, so-called conspiracy by the BJP. Stay with us, Tejri and Akantra. We have Mr. Arvinder Singh Lovely on the broadcast with her. So what do you have to say about this latest statement which has been issued by Arvind Kejriwal 120 hours after the assault gate inside the Chief Minister residence? The Delhi CM speaks up and openly backs his PA Vibhav Kumar, says BJP wants to put all of them in jail. How do you respond, sir?
See, this is not a new issue that they try to create a drama of every misdeed of theirs. Rather than being apologetic on what happens, now they are trying to overturn it to make it a political drama, as they always. The simple question is, they need to have a Atam Chintan, where their party is going, what type of acts are happening in Chief Minister House. This is not the first time even Chief Secretary was manhandled in their house. Now, there cannot be any explanation how you treat a lady. You have only 3 Rajya Sabha members from Delhi. It's not that there are 10, 15 Rajya Sabha members from Delhi. Just 3 months, 4 months back, you have chosen her as your member of parliament, which is very important for you when you have only 3 Rajya Sabha seats. Now, just because of this incident, you have started alleging her with different allegations. You are saying that BJP has done this. 3 months back, when you gave her the ticket, you didn't know that she is a dramebaj or not dramebaj.
Right. So you're saying, sir, you are suggesting and insinuating that this is a systemic slander campaign against Swati Maliwal. You had very recently quit the Congress party with which you had a very long time association, and the biggest reasons, of course, was a tie-up with the Aam Aadmi Party. Talking about that, sir, how do you think the Congress and the INDA alliance should act and react to this press meet? Because after this statement by Arvind Kejriwal, it's very clear that the Aam Aadmi Party is obviously standing behind a man against whom some very serious allegations have been levelled, sir.
See, honestly telling you, in real sense, there is no alliance. There is no alliance among workers. It may be among leaders or candidates. Even if you see that Kejriwal has come to the candidates, and in one road show, he has campaigned for all the 3. And in just few hours, today there is a Congress rally, they have not invited Kejriwal. So there is no such alliance at ground level. The fact of the matter is that. And secondly, everybody knows about AAP. One day they say one thing, another day they say one thing. Even they have been exposed
Right.
among the people of Delhi
So
also.
you're
Nobody
saying
is
Aam
ready to
Aadmi
believe
Party
that.
has been exposed today. Thank you, Mr. Lovely, for joining us on the broadcast. BJP calling it a systemic slander campaign against Swati Maliwal. Arvind Kejriwal breaking his silence on the assault gate for the first time, speaking up and openly coming out in defense of his aide Bibhav Kumar. Politics over the same escalating. We'll keep an eye on this big story on the other side of this short commercial break as well.
Kane, sir, your dinner.
On a tile? It's antibacterial.
Easy to clean.
But plates? Kane bhai, it's a tile ad.
IM Plus टेक्नोलॉजी से बने वर्ल्ड क्लास टाइल्स। टाइल हो तो सिंपल हो।
If you like this video, then like, share and subscribe to ET Now.